With Autodesk Process Analysis, we can lay out factory processes in an easy-to-interpret diagram using simple tools like sources for raw materials and bought-in items, etc. Processors for our machining processes, assembly processes. Buffers for our storage between processes. And our final product, which is needed for an analysis. We can connect these together, and we can also add in operators if we have multiple processes with the same operator moving between each. In this example, I have made a simple process for manufacturing a capped pin from raw bar stock. We have our source as our round bar, our first processor, which is our automated bandsaw, and the transport between is by forklift truck. We have a process of cutting the blanks, which is then taken by forklift to the parts store until it is needed again by the CNC lathe for the machining operation into the final product. With all the correct information, we can then run an analysis on the whole process. We can see each item moving through each process and the quantities going through. I can speed up this with the slider. Once it is completed our required 200, we can see this has taken a total time of 64 hours to go through the whole process, and we can then look at reports for line efficiency as well as cycle times. This has been Chris Smith for Cadline Bite Size. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.